In this video, we are going to analyze NNDM. So to get straight into it, what are going to be key support levels if we continue to decline in price? And as of right now, we have just broken this 245 support, and we are currently coming into our statistical mean support at 230. So as of right now, we are kind of range bound within this area, but considering it's a day, we will probably break out of this quite soon. And where do we expect it to go? So if we continue down, we're looking at the 205. If we break that, the 167, then the key level will really be 130. Now this we probably won't break in the near future, just considering it is the fourth deviation on the 6-month chart and also our first deviation on the 1-year chart, so this will be a heavy layer of support. So unless there's some fundamental news that really affects the price of this stock, we probably won't break below that. But if we did, we would have one final statistical level at 34 cents. Now obviously we can find other levels because the difference between 130 and 30 cents is very far. So if we did continue to sell off past the 130, obviously we would be paying attention to the 125, the $1, 75 and 50 cents, because these would be the key psychological levels where you would expect some sort of buying pressure to start kicking in. Now, on the other hand, if we start increasing in price, what are going to be key resistance levels to be paying attention to? So that would be $2.85. Breaking through there would be $3.25, $3.60, and then final levels taking us out to $4, $4.30, and a final two levels at $5.30 and $6.25. Now obviously these are levels can be very far off from where we are now, but are also giving you support and resistance levels. So how do you use these levels? Because it's not, okay, we're definitely going to go to 130 or we're definitely going to go to $4. The way to use these levels are whether you are looking to trade the up or down side. If you break a level, for example, we break this 230, we come back to retest it, this would confirm the resistance as long as selling pressure kicks in, and then no matter what, really we would expect to push down to at least $2.05. And again, the same thing, if we broke this level, we came back to retest it as resistance and selling pressure kicked in, then more than likely we would come all the way down to 167. And again, we would look for that same pattern if we continued lower. And again, the same thing to the upside. If we want to see a break to 285, what do we need to see? So we need to see a break above 245, push a bit above it, come back to retest it as support, and if buying pressure kicks in, then we would expect to push to 285. Now, why is the confirmation so key? So the confirmation is key because it shows that investors or traders have had time to think about the trade and they are still happy to basically commit to it. So if you see it, it's more, or creates a high probability that it will work. So I hope you enjoyed the video though. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe and check out one of these analysis videos.